Hello and welcome to episode 8 of YouTube Tips for Business, and this week we are talking about playlists, which are a nice and easy way of allowing your viewers to watch a whole bunch of your videos in one go without having to click from one to the next. And if you've been watching my videos week by week, you'll have seen a link in the end screen telling you how you can watch a playlist of these videos. Aside from clicking a link in a video, you can also get to playlists from your channel page. Here's mine, and as you can see, the playlist for this series is the first in the list. I'll click on that and the first video begins to play. The page looks very similar to a normal YouTube video watch page, except over on the right you now have a list of all the videos in the playlist. If you leave it playing, it will play through each video in turn, or you can click on one of the other videos to skip to that. There are several ways to add a video to a playlist. One of those is from the YouTube watch page. Click on the plus icon next to Share and choose the playlist from the drop-down menu, or there's an option to create a new playlist at the bottom. This works for any video, so you can add other people's videos to your playlists if you wish. And this is especially useful for someone like me because it means that I can showcase work that I've done for other people that is hosted on their channels. Another way to add a video to a playlist is to do so while you're uploading it. On the upload page, whilst you're filling out all the other information, click on the Add to Playlist drop-down and select your playlist there. You can also add a bunch of videos to a playlist at once from your video manager. Simply click the checkbox next to all the required videos and then click the Add To button before selecting your playlist from the list. And that's it for this week. Next week we're going to be looking at cards, which are things that appear in the top corner of the screen that you can click on, and I'll be taking you through all the different options next time. Thanks for watching. Please click above to subscribe, click over there for last week's video, and click over there for next week's video, or if this is the most recent video, that will take you to a playlist of all the videos in the series, as we've been talking about this week.